A combination lock. In the last chapter of his book, Al-Ghazali deals with a number of mechanical devices, among them a letter lock, a lock with 12 letters which serves to lock a box. The lid consists of 2 plates which are connected with 4 combination locks and a turning knob. The cover plate serves as a clamping device. When the combination lock is placed upon a box for which it is intended, the lower plate can slide into the 2 recesses by means of the knob. At the same time, a cylinder is pushed into a guideway attached on the side so that the lower plate cannot be pushed together anymore. By alternating the combination, the cylinder is secured. The 12-digit combination of Arabic characters, each of which corresponds to a numerical value, can be easily changed when the lid is opened.